Hello, fifth graders. It's Mrs. Martin again. We're going to start chapter 1. How do Earth and its moon create cycles? We've kind of been doing some things with this already. But first, we're going to say companions in space, Earth and its moon have been spinning around and speeding along together for more than 4 billion years. The motions of these companions are not random. They repeat over and over again, creating the familiar cycles and patterns that you observe on Earth. Here's your vocabulary, and I would like you to copy this in your science notebook. So the first word is rotation. You've had this last year too. Rotation is the act of spinning around. One complete rotation of the Earth takes 24 hours. This is a new word, apparent motion. An object's apparent motion is the way it appears to move, not whether or how it actually moves. To the boy on the ride, the people watching appear blurry because they have apparent motion. This is what the sun. It looks like the sun has apparent motion when it rises in the east and sets in the west, but it does not. We're moving around the sun. It's the apparent motion of the sun. So keep that in mind. The next one is revolution. You've had that word too. Revolution is the act of moving around another object. One complete revolution of the Earth around the sun takes 1 year. So the Earth revolves around the sun. Next one, orbit. An orbit is the path one object takes around another object. Each planet follows an orbit around the sun. Then we come to hemisphere. A hemisphere is one half of the Earth's surface, usually above or below the equator. When it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. So we are in the northern hemisphere. Australia is in the southern hemisphere. Here's another word, eclipse. An eclipse is the blocking of light shining from one object in space onto another. When the moon blocks the Earth's light from shining on Earth, When the moon blocks the sun's light from shining on Earth, a solar eclipse occurs. And if you remember, I got to see a solar eclipse a couple years ago in Kentucky. So what I want you to do is I want you to write these vocabulary words in your science notebook, and then we'll have some more assignments following. All right, talk to you later. Bye.